This is the NodeMCU. These are all the connections. These connections for RFID connections and LCD connections. This is the LCD I to C and after connections. This is the code, and after the code, we have to done this from the cable. We have to connect. After connect, like this it will show already it is done. So it is shown. Now click to the upload button. Use the code compiling. Completed uploading. Now see, this is showing. This is the RFID card. Now it is showing place the card. So if I place this card, it is the showing number this. OK.